Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chrissy's Point of View. I am Christine, and today we are going to talk about how to make a vision board. So for those of you who did not catch my vlog on visualization, what do you want for your life, you can check it out. I'll leave the link below. So the vision board, how I my approach to making a vision board was basically looking for things that I would like in my life and what I would like to do, like travel, enjoy the nicer things in life, like traveling, going to the spa often, getting a massage, going to a resort, going on a private plane, all those nice things we like, seeing ancient places like the Colosseum in Rome and so forth. And I did that, my research, as in looking for pictures, how to go about doing the vision board, is using Pinterest. My favorite. Pinterest has a lot of pictures and things that you can put on your vision board. I even started putting affirmations. I stuck affirmations on my vision board. So every time I pass by my vision board, I can see like seeing ancient places like uh, the Colosseum in Rome and so forth. And I did that, my research, as in. So I'll show you a little bit of how my vision board looks because it's still under construction. I add things to my vision board weekly. So if I see a picture I like and I say I want that for myself, I also add it to my journal, what I want for myself when I'm doing journalizing, and I stick it up there. And I don't just stick it up there, I look at it to remind me of why I am doing this. Why I am pushing so hard, why I'm working so hard towards my goals. Because I want the lifestyle and I know you do too. So let's go see the vision board. And see, you'll start from the top. This is a luxurious suite somewhere in Barbados, I believe. Look at that master bedroom. Look at the size of that master bedroom. Look at the beach. Look at golfing. I always had some kind of interest in golfing, but I never got the chance to do it. Somewhere in the corner here, there's it looks like a salmon dinner by the poolside. This is another beach. As you can see how nice blue the beaches are. This is me getting a massage with my husband. Well, obviously I'm not white, but still you get the idea. This is another beach up here. This is me having, well, I'm not white. Need to get one with a black couple, but I am improvising in the meanwhile. I would like to get married soon. This is me and my husband doing like an evening sunset ride with the bike. And to tell you all the truth, somehow I never learned to ride a bike, but that's something I'll accomplish. Then we go up here, me getting another massage again, pool, and then there is the like a patio kind of relaxation hotel suite kind of thing. Again, hot stone massage. I'm about to get a hot stone massage, and let's go to the main deal. So I have stuck on this other vision board affirmations and how I would like house goals, like the kind of house I would like. I love myself, I accept myself, money flows to me easily and frequently. I am at peace with my past. I attract people who help me meet my goals. As you could see, house goals, my kitchen. I have a nice spacious kitchen. I have a nice spacious laundry room. I have a master bedroom fit for a queen. As you can see, the colors, the color code is gold and a type of beige color. So when I'm writing in my journal, I'm writing exactly how I want it to look in detail. And the vision board helps with that in detail what it is you're writing for, writing about. On top, I make my own goals and crush them. So vision board tie in with the journal makes things happen quickly because they get something to hold on to believe in, to generate that hope. I am separate from the voice of anxiety and stress. I love that. I love that. Car goals. I love a Mercedes Benz. I think Mercedes Benz is one of the sexiest cars. That's just my opinion. There we have the fountain in Italy. I can't remember the name of the fountain, but I know I would like to go there. Below the fountain, there is the Colosseum, where I want to go there because I like medieval time shows. So I always into visiting ancient cities. So this side here is a lot of affirmations. There's power within me. I let go and allow the universe to do its thing. I am a powerful creator. I am a magnet for success. This other one I am dreaming of is Greece. I would love to do Greece. I believe this is a picture of Greece Santorini. I have always liked to see this particular place on shows and I'm curious to visit it. This, I believe, in the corner here is either Bora Bora or the Maldives. I think it's Bora Bora. I would love to go. I am going. I'm not saying I would love to go. I am going to Bora Bora for my honeymoon, and I need to add that to my journal. Sandals. I have always wanted to visit Sandals Resort. Yet to visit Sandals Resort. Look, another affirmation. It is easy to earn, keep, and grow my wealth. I am aligned with the energy of wealth. And as you go down, there is best things to do in Venice. I was always curious about Venice because this city of water, you have to cross the road in a boat. I always found it very interesting. I don't know if any of you all have ever found it interesting. Then let's go back to looking in my house. So I am one. I don't know if anybody else. I am into walk-in closets, and I must have my own walk-in closet, and my husband will have his own walk-in closet. I have an adequate size drawing room and dining room separate, and in my journal I talk about how I would like my dining room with the chandelier at the center, how many chairs, what type of paintings. Obviously I can't see the paintings in this particular picture, but I know what type of paintings I would like to have in my dining room and in my living room. So, and then we go across to this little thing here is my office, and I have a secret passageway because it looks like a shelf, and I just love the idea of having a secret passageway in my house where it looks very unassuming that that is an office. Again, I have affirmations. I am grateful that I attract abundance. I inspire those around me. I allow my true self to flourish. I connect to the universe. I appreciate everything I have. You know, people, we need to be appreciative for everything that we have presently, because when it is you're not appreciative of things that you have presently, how will you gain things? How God will bless you with other things if you're not appreciative for what you have now? Right? So, other places I like to travel, Paris. So, you see Paris, a little bit of Paris there, the Eiffel Tower represents the Paris. And then as we go down a little further, we see here my type of afternoon tea. I like this English look so much. I always said I will do this. I never got the chance to do it. Soon come. I will have English afternoon tea, because I love to drink tea already. Here I have a hotel room. Again, as you can see, I love resorts. Look at this. Best things in life are here. Yes, I would love to just lie down and read a book in middle of my pool in my house, in my very own house. And then I found this last week, a very old magazine with Eve on a private plane. I need to find a way to put my face on this plane. Well, with Eve. I mean, I could glance at her and see myself because both of us look fabulous like that. Yes. So, yeah, I see myself on a private plane in the future. Definitely, I have visualized it before. People serving me and so forth. And at the bottom, I have another resort. So as you can see, I love to travel. So that's it, folks. That's my vision board. I hope you enjoyed it. It's still under construction. I still have a lot to add. And I hope this has given you a little more ideas how it is done. See you next time on Chrissy's Point of View. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.